Hello parents. We cordially invite you on 23rd of September 2023 for the class assembly of students from grade 3 to 7. This class assembly provides a platform for our students to exhibit their talents and skills they have learnt during their co-curricular classes. On the same day, our beloved chairman, Mr. Chaitanya, will be conducting Hriday Sparsh, a workshop for value education. To know more about the workshop, over to Mr. Mayank Solanki, the founder of ValEd Initiative.
Namaste, dear parents. My name is Mayank Solanki. I'm the founder of ValEd Initiatives. I'm very excited to invite you to a special event happening at your school. We worked incredibly hard with your school to make this happen over months of planning and preparation. When you come to school for this event, you're going to have a great time, you're going to learn wonderful things, and you will go back with memories for life. I hope you will turn up in big numbers and we will all together learn something that your school, you, me, children, all of us can benefit from. So, schedule the dates that has been shown in this video and we will see you at school for this event.